Hello and welcome back to Now Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a virtual machine within the Oracle VirtualBox. So without further delay, let's see how to install it. Now, as you can see on my VirtualBox which I've opened here, we have different windows inside. And if you want to uninstall any of these windows, it's very easy and simple to do. Let's assume that I want to uninstall this Windows 11 here. So you just right click on it and then click on remove. Once you click on remove, it requires that to remove only or to delete all the files. So if you want to maintain the files which you already installed or any existing file within this virtual machine, you can leave it aside. But in our case, let's just say we want to delete everything within it, so you just have to click on delete all files. So once you click on delete all files, it is gone. Now if we close it and goes back to open it again, once we open it, you can see that Windows 11 is no more available there. So that is just how easy and simple it is to remove this virtual machine. Any Windows which you install, Windows 10, Windows 11, whatever Windows which you just need to right click it and then click on the remove. So that is just how easy and simple it is to remove this virtual machine on an Oracle VirtualBox. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next video. Peace out.